Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're having a phenomenal weekend. Such nice weather. Been riding the motorcycle all day, just got home. Finally got a chance to clean this car, and I also had Louise over at Paradigm 615 go ahead and wrap. So we did a chrome delete. This is not an easy car to do a chrome delete on because you can see these go into the car and these also go into the mirrors, right? And then you also have all these detail pieces here, and to top it off, make it even more challenging, you have this blue line down here. Excuse me, black line. You also have the emblems at the front, and I still have to take that off. I'm working on that hopefully here in a little bit. And you got that right there deleted as well, chrome delete. So overall, gives the car a super menacing look. This is exactly how they look from the factory, except it'll be the plaid plus coming later this year. But otherwise, other than that, the diffuser is different. So I definitely love the way it looks. The white and black interior, you know, 0 to 60 in 2.4. I was really able to clean the brake pads. They were very dirty. I don't think anybody who owned this car gave a crap. You can see here, I still got a little bit to get, and here as well. But I took off, oh my God, I probably took off damn near a couple of years, if not 4.5, 5 years worth of stuff from these wheels. But overall, the car's in really good shape. I would say exterior is about an 8 out of 10, maybe a 9 out of 10. No curb rash on the wheels, but a little bit I noticed. Now I could orbital polish this, but it does have some road rash, but I'm gonna get road rash in Tennessee. I could either spend $1,200 to $1,500 to get it PPF, or I could just spend like $2,000 or $3,000 probably and just get it resprayed as far as the front bumper and the whole front grille. So, you know, then you pretty much get a new car as far as the paint job. Because this really frankly never gets, as long as you keep it out of the sun profusely, you know, it never really fades much. So, but anyway, I'm blabbering on. Got the window tint installed, and it is dialed in. We did a little detail here. We did the Ludicrous, which is what that line is, Ludicrous Plus. That's what that dictates. You can see we did the wrap here as well. Matches the carbon fiber. So there it is, guys. I mean, that's pretty much, other than you could do like a lowering kit and some nice wheels, you really don't need to do anything else to the P100D. It's pretty much dialed in, ready to go. That's all you got to do is a chrome delete, give her a detail. And the only other thing I am going to do, now that I think about it, is I'm going to take the ECU right here, and I'm going to go ahead and get the new one installed. So I am going to Tesla next week, Friday, and I'm going to have that changed out for $1,500 bucks. But there you go. That's it. Hope you guys are enjoying the content. I will be doing a review video on this car here shortly, but today was about the wrap. So what you're gonna see next is a couple of clips just taking you through the shop, introduce you to Louise over at Paradigm, and that's it. And then I'll wrap the video up. As always, appreciate you watching, subscribing, love reading your comments. You guys are all smart. I got some really smart, conscious people that ask really good questions, and I really appreciate it. I really like to think that if you dig into my videos as far as the comments, it's not, you know, it's not about like judging. It's just about learning and getting to know a lot of these vehicles. And man, you guys asked some good questions. So that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. And as always, appreciate you watching. Here it is. It looks good. And you have your camera. We're gonna park it next to the Vanquish. All right, guys. I'll look out for your comments if you have any, and likes. I appreciate it. Helps the algo pick up the content. But I do like the Model S. It's been a lot of fun in the week I've owned it, and I will continue to try to post content related to this and other stuff. I'll talk to you guys later.